This is a demonstration of Wirecast. This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
All right, so it looks like my Wirecast friend is going to be telling us every now and then that this is a demonstration of Wirecast.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
See, there she goes. I will turn off the demo version if people actually watch this. Maybe someday I'll even buy a license. But for now, my name is Chris Fauerbach. I am going to be going through some. Oh, you can't really see, not that you want to see me. We're not here to see me. I'm going to go through the installation, the tutorial. That was kind of cool.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Yeah. So I'm going to go through demonstration, tutorials, all that kind of stuff for ROS, which is the robot operating system. I'm a 20-year software engineer. I have a long history of cybersecurity product development, enterprise applications, wannabe startups, and real startups. I've had success in the startup world. My first company was acquired by FireEye. It wasn't my company. It was a friend of mine's company, but I was there early, so whatever.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Now I'm going to go through this installation of ROS. So where I started, and I've already done because it kind of took a while, is go through these demonstration stuff, looking at the installation of ROS on a fresh Ubuntu 16 box. So first step following their installation was set up the sources, which adds the ROS packages. Set up the key, the encryption key to make sure it's valid.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Ran sudo apt-get update. Then I did a full install of the ROS Lunar desktop package. So now I can do the fun stuff and go through initialization. So I did a robotic project a few years ago with a buddy of mine, and we had a lot of fun doing it. I have a passion and a fascination even with the way computers can interact with the real world. So robotics, automation, that kind of stuff. And recently I moved from the suburban suburbs.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
I'll stop talking whenever she goes. I've been a suburbanite my whole life. Recently I just moved out to a wannabe gentleman farm. I got a bunch of acres, and I want to make my riding tractor autonomous, which can then be applied to a ton of different autonomous platforms. I'm a wannabe Tesla guy. Elon Musk is just badass. So I want to make my car automated. I'm not sure I'll be able to do that, but hey, why not try?
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
So what I've done up to this point is, like I said, install ROS. So now I'll go through these steps of initialization. Let's do this as my usual user, not as root. So the first thing is ROS dependencies initialization. I assume it's dependencies. Then, it just tells me to do that. ROS dep update. And it's downloading stuff.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Showing you a demonstration of ROS. If people actually watch this video, maybe I'll pay to get rid of that stuff. You'll occasionally hear my dog in the background too. So it looks like it added all these distributions. This is running on a virtual machine as well, so if this works, I might move it off to another workstation to be able to then move it, to the platform or whatever. All right, so now it wants me to set up some bash. Anybody want some dogs?
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Our neighbor has horses, and the dogs bark at the horses. So I'm echoing to run this setup.bash to my bash RC, and I'll paste that. So then we can verify with bash. I hope my password's not in here. Nope. So there's a source, and then it wants me to run that. So source runs a bash file and puts any variables in my environment and all that kind of stuff.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
So I put it in here. The options were, if I wanted to always update these configs when I log in, then put the line in the bash RC file, which gets executed or evaluated, whatever the right word is, executed, evaluated at login. So let's see. I'll put this in 3 windows. I have 3 windows on purpose because I know I'm going to need them later.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Oh, that's really annoying. All right, I'll get through installation, then I'll figure out how to get rid of that voice for the next video. Okay, so now I need to install dependencies. So sudo apt-get install python ROS install, etc. So let's do that. So I'm installing python ROS install python install something else. So they're installing. So this ROS build farm.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
I made a donation last night, so I don't feel guilty doing this. And if you use ROS, you really should give it a little donation too, because this is some pretty sweet free software, and you can do a lot of cool stuff with it. So I'm going to click on the tutorial button, and for now I will stop and figure out how to get rid of that voice and the watermark. And the next video, I will start going through the...
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Oh, we'll go one by one. So we'll go through this one next. See you soon.